Jodhpur, the Blue City, is a captivating destination in northwest India.
Founded in 1459 by Rao Jodha, Jodhpur's blue buildings signify the Brahmin caste. The Mehrangarh Fort stands as a powerful symbol of their reign. Jodhpur's history is a captivating tale of valor and artistic brilliance.
Today, Jodhpur blends its glorious past with the present. Dominating the Jodhpur skyline, Mehrangarh Fort is an architectural marvel that embodies the city's grandeur and resilience.
Built in 1459 by Rao Jodha, the fort stands atop a 400-foot-high precipice, its imposing walls seemingly growing out of the rocky landscape. Mehrangarh, meaning Fort of the Sun, served as a formidable fortress for centuries, protecting Jodhpur's rulers and citizens from invaders.
7 gates, each bearing witness to historical battles and victories, provide access to the fort's sprawling complex. Inside, a labyrinth of courtyards, palaces, temples, and museums awaits exploration.
The Moti Mahal, or Pearl Palace, is adorned with exquisite mirror work, while the Sheesh Mahal, or Palace of Mirrors, shimmers with thousands of tiny glass pieces. These palaces offer a glimpse into the opulent lifestyles of Jodhpur's rulers.
Visitors to Mehrangarh Fort can also enjoy panoramic views of Jodhpur's blue cityscape and the vast Thar desert beyond. The fort is not just a historical monument, it is a living testament to Jodhpur's rich past and enduring legacy.
The fort's museum houses a remarkable collection of artifacts, including palanquins, howdahs, miniature paintings, and weapons. These objects provide valuable insights into the history, culture, and artistic traditions of the Rathore dynasty. A visit to Jodhpur is incomplete without experiencing the awe-inspiring grandeur of Mehrangarh Fort.
Umaid Bhawan Palace, a magnificent blend of Indo-Saracenic Western Art Deco and classical revival architectural styles, stands as a testament to Jodhpur's royal heritage and architectural brilliance.
Commissioned by Maharaja Umaid Singh in 1929, the palace was conceived as a grand project to provide employment during a period of drought and famine. Thousands of skilled artisans worked tirelessly for over 15 years to complete this architectural masterpiece. Today, Umaid Bhawan Palace is one of the largest private residences in the world.
The palace is divided into 3 sections: a luxury hotel managed by the Taj Group, a royal residence belonging to the Jodhpur royal family, and a museum showcasing the history and heritage of the Rathore dynasty.
The hotel wing boasts 64 luxurious rooms and suites, offering stunning views of the city, the vast gardens, and the Mehrangarh Fort in the distance. Guests can indulge in world-class amenities, including a swimming pool, spa, tennis courts, and multiple dining options.
The palace's opulent interiors feature intricate murals, exquisite chandeliers, and a vast collection of art and artifacts. The museum wing of Umaid Bhawan Palace offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of Jodhpur's royal family.
Visitors can explore vintage cars, clocks, and an impressive collection of weapons. The palace grounds are equally impressive, spanning over 26 acres of lush gardens, fountains, and pavilions.
Beyond the imposing walls of its forts and palaces, Jodhpur's vibrant culture comes alive in its bustling bazaars and marketplaces.
Narrow, winding lanes filled with the enticing aromas of spices, incense, and street food lead visitors on a sensory journey through the heart of the city. The clock tower, or Ghantaghar, built in the late 19th century by Maharaja Sardar Singh, serves as a central landmark and a bustling hub of activity. Surrounding the clock tower is Sardar Market, a shopper's paradise offering a dazzling array of textiles, handicrafts, and souvenirs.
The air is filled with the sounds of vendors hawking their wares, the rhythmic hammering of metalworkers, and the lively chatter of locals and tourists alike.
Skilled artisans carrying on the legacy of their forefathers create exquisite handicrafts using techniques passed down through centuries. The art of bandhani, or tie-dye, involves a meticulous process of tying and dyeing fabric to create intricate patterns. Leatherworkers craft beautiful shoes, bags, and other goods. Jodhpur's bazaars offer a glimpse into the soul of the city, where one can witness the creativity, resilience, and entrepreneurial spirit of its people.
Nomadic tribes, such as the Bishnoi, have roamed the Thar Desert for centuries, living in harmony with nature and depending on their livestock for sustenance. Their traditional knowledge of the desert's flora and fauna has enabled them to survive in this challenging environment. The Thar Desert is not just a wasteland, it is a vibrant ecosystem that showcases the resilience of life in the face of adversity. Narrator, Media Group. Vibrant ecosystem of the Thar Desert, life in the Thar Desert, resilience in the desert environment @stock @distribute_equally. The Thar Desert has played a crucial role in shaping the culture, lifestyle, and architecture of Jodhpur and its surrounding regions. S2, Media Group, Sand dunes in the Thar Desert, culture influenced by the Thar Desert, Jodhpur architecture and the desert at its stock, at it distribute_equally, characterized by vast stretches of sand dunes, sparse vegetation, and extreme temperatures. The Thar Desert might appear desolate at first glance. However, this unique ecosystem is teeming with life and holds a mystical allure. Narrator, Media Group, mystical Thar Desert landscape, life teeming in the Thar Desert, Great Indian Desert scenery at its stock, at a distribute_equally. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, stretches across northwestern India and into Pakistan, forming a significant part of Rajasthan's landscape.
Section 6, Geological Marvels, the Malani Igneous Suite. The landscape surrounding Jodhpur is not only shaped by the vast Thar Desert, but also by remarkable geological formations that whisper tales of Earth's ancient history.
The Malani Igneous Suite, a massive igneous rock province, stretches across parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat, offering a fascinating glimpse into the geological processes that have shaped this region over millions of years.
This geological marvel dates back to the Proterozoic Eon, a time when life on Earth was in its early stages.
These rocks were formed by massive volcanic eruptions that occurred between 780 and 750 million years ago, spewing out enormous volumes of lava and ash.
Over millions of years, erosion and weathering have sculpted these volcanic rocks into dramatic landscapes.
The Rao Jodha Desert Rock Park, located at the foot of Mehrangarh Fort, offers a unique opportunity to explore the beauty and diversity of the Malani Igneous Suite. This park showcases a variety of rock formations, along with a diverse collection of desert plants and trees. The Malani Igneous Suite is a testament to the Earth's dynamic nature, reminding us of the immense timescales over which geological processes operate.
Section 7, Oases of Life, Kailana and Balsamand Lakes. In the heart of Jodhpur's arid landscape, Kailana and Balsamand Lakes provide a refreshing respite and serve as vital lifelines.
Kailana Lake, built in 1872, is a crucial water source and a popular spot for boating and birdwatching. Balsamand Lake, built in the 12th century, is a tranquil oasis surrounded by lush gardens and mango groves.
Initially a water reservoir, it is now a popular destination for leisurely walks and relaxation. These lakes stand as testaments to the ingenuity of Jodhpur's rulers. Section 8, an architecture moulded by the desert. Jodhpur's architecture, a harmonious blend of Rajput grandeur and vernacular ingenuity, reflects a deep understanding of the desert environment and a desire to create comfortable and sustainable living spaces.
The city's iconic blue buildings, originally painted with indigo to ward off insects and reflect heat, are a testament to the practical considerations that have shaped its architectural style. Mehrangarh Fort, perched atop a rocky precipice, showcases the use of locally sourced sandstone.
This material is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also provides excellent insulation against the desert's extreme temperatures.
Intricate jalis, or latticework screens, carved into sandstone or marble, adorn windows and balconies, providing shade and allowing for the circulation of cool air while offering a degree of privacy.
Rooftop wind catchers, known as badgers, are another ingenious architectural element, channeling cool air from the higher elevations into the buildings.
The use of locally sourced materials, such as sandstone, marble and lime plaster, minimizes the environmental impact of construction and ensures that the buildings blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Jodhpur's architecture is not merely about aesthetics. It is a testament to the human ability to adapt, innovate and coexist in harmony with nature. The city's buildings stand as a testament to the creativity and resilience of its people.
Section 9. Jodhpur, where culture and nature converge. Jodhpur, with its imposing forts, opulent palaces, bustling bazaars and unique desert landscapes, offers a captivating blend of cultural vibrancy and natural splendor.
The city's rich history, shaped by powerful rulers, skilled artisans, and the ever-present Thar Desert, is evident in every corner. Mehrangarh Fort, standing sentinel over the city, whispers tales of valor, ambition, and artistic brilliance.
Umaid Barwan Palace embodies the grandeur and opulence of a bygone era, while the bustling bazaars offer a sensory feast of colors, aromas, and sounds.
Geological wonders like the Malani Igneous Suite offer a glimpse into the Earth's ancient history, reminding us of the immense timescales over which our planet has evolved.
Kailana and Balsamand Lakes, oases of life in the arid landscape, highlight the importance of water conservation and the delicate balance between humans and nature. Jodhpur is more than just a tourist destination. It is a place where history, culture, and nature converge to create a truly unforgettable experience. The city's vibrant traditions, warm hospitality, and the captivating beauty of its surroundings leave a lasting impression on those fortunate enough to visit.